Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can replace words on Google Sheets. So you're just going to press Ctrl F on your keyboard and find the word that you want to replace. For instance, I want to change this coffee word to another word. So select more options here, replace with, and type in what you want to replace the word with. For instance, pistachio. Select all sheets and then replace all and press done. And as you can see, this has all been replaced. For instance, like this one too, press Ctrl F, find in sheet, replace with cookie crumbles. Done. And it's going to replace it. Oh, I forgot to replace all. Hold on, sorry. Okay, just cookie dough. Replace all, then press done. There we go. That's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.